Hello, my name is Artem. For the past 25 years, I've dedicated my life to studying how the brain works and how consciousness shapes the way we live. But this journey didn't start from curiosity, it began out of necessity. When I was 16, I experienced a significant stress that completely disrupted my body. What seemed like a normal event led to catastrophic consequences: chronic inflammation, severe skin issues, and my weight dropped to just 56 kilograms. Doctors were at a loss, and conventional treatments offered no help. This painful period pushed me to search for answers. I tried everything, from psychoanalysis and hypnotherapy to alternative practices. I explored hundreds of methods, worked with top specialists, but nothing brought lasting results. Eventually, my interest in the brain and consciousness became my profession. I founded several companies, including Wikium, a platform with over 9 million users, offering brain training for memory, focus, and cognitive skills. I've spoken at conferences sharing my discoveries, but the personal question of how to resolve my chronic issues remained unanswered. The empty bowl method is a deep bodywork approach that operates on 3 levels: physiological, psychological, and energetic. Physiological level. The method helps the body release old tensions, muscle spasms, and even deeply hidden traumas that may have affected your health for years. Muscles relax, tension dissipates, and the body naturally returns to a state of balance. Sometimes, this feels like a miraculous healing. For example, I experienced relief from years of back pain that no doctor could resolve. Psychological level. The mind relaxes deeply, helping to manage anxiety, stress, and even insomnia. During the session, you may become aware of inner patterns and strategies that have been holding you back. For example, beliefs like, "The world is dangerous, so I must control everything. There's something wrong with me, so I must be perfect." Or, "I'm afraid of being abandoned, so I stay in destructive relationships." Recognizing these patterns is the first step towards letting them go and transforming your life. Energetic level. The method resets the nervous system and restores the natural flow of energy in the body. This creates a profound sense of lightness, balance, and inner peace. A session lasts approximately 45-60 minutes and begins with you lying down on a comfortable couch. You don't need to explain anything or share your story. We trust the wisdom of your body, not the constructs or narratives of the mind. I sit beside you and may gently touch your hand and shoulder. These light touches help create a sense of safety and trust, allowing your body to initiate its own healing process. During the session, you may feel a warm, loving, and nurturing energy filling the space around and within you. This sensation is so gentle and profound that it allows you to deeply relax, feel an extraordinary sense of safety, and let your body begin to restore itself. After the session, we can have a conversation if you wish to share your thoughts or experiences. However, if you prefer to keep the experience private, that's absolutely fine. This process isn't about fixing anything. It's about creating a safe and caring space where your body and mind can relax, recover, and return to their natural state of balance and harmonies. If you're ready to transform your life and experience the empty bowl method, I invite you to book an individual session. Together, we'll create a safe space where you can deeply connect with yourself, relax, tune into your body, and let go of what's holding you back. I look forward to guiding you on this journey.